I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Okay, guys, so today's going to be a little different. We're having the potluck today. I don't want to come outside in this cold just to show you a plate. So what I plan to do is take a picture, and I will do a voiceover of it so I can go through what's on it. So each plate that I have or whatever I have, I'm just going to do a voiceover because, I got to watch what I do. So I don't want to do anything inappropriate for work. So yeah, so I just want to let you all know that, I did bring the pulled pork. I forgot to bring the barbecue sauce. So I had to run home to get it. Well, I tell you, I was talking to Mom on the way there. So I was jibber jabbering, and then I got home and I got to let the dogs out, and I went to the bathroom, and then I was talking to Mom and still put the dog door back on and walked right out to the car and went about 6 blocks. I'm like, I forgot the barbecue sauce. So I had to turn around and drive back. I passed by Walmart, but I'm like, you know what? It'll be easier just to drive home. So I did that because it was only 6 more blocks from the Walmart, and it would be faster to drive those 6 blocks than going into the store, getting it, paying for it anyway. So yeah. Sometimes I'm a knucklehead. But anyway, so I will take a picture of my plate and I will show you what I eat. All right, bye. Round 1, we've got meat, mushrooms, green beans, pork with barbecue sauce, some veggies, some cheese dip, some cheese ball, artichoke dip, and shepherd's pie. Let me tell you what this mess is. It's shepherd's pie with some gravy and cheese. And this one, well, I dumped it right there and there. But it is pulled pork with some cheese dip on top. Well, supper tonight. This is chicken, rutabaga, onions, and an egg. And, ooh, I'm so excited to try this. It's a peppermint creamy. That's one of the winter flavors. Hang on. So I don't know if you all saw the video. But I made a video and I made protein cookies and peppermint creamer. And the protein cookies were with the gingerbread cookies. No sir. If you want to know how I make the protein cookies, you definitely can go to my Keto Chow playlist, because that's where I put the recipes where I use Keto Chow. But anyway, what did I not do? So we're going to do that one first. I'm super excited to try the peppermint creamy. But peppermint always makes you cold. So this might not be a good decision, but I don't care. That's good. Oh my gosh, this would be good with chocolate. Listen, I got to go add that to my cart. Hang on just a second. I'm excited. I'm also, next time, I'm getting, because I do not want to run out of the maple waffle. So I ordered a third. This will be my third full size of the maple waffle. And I ordered a second, because I'm running low on my chocolate peanut butter. So my plan is I ordered those 2 in big size this time. And then next month, which that's in November, but in December, I'm going to pray they have the pecan sticky bun, because I want another big one of that one. I still have the extra of the maple waffle and 1 extra of the pecan sticky bun, but them are my weekend go-tos. Anyway, I think we better have another bite of this. But yeah, I wanted to get that in there because I want to put this with chocolate or chocolate peanut butter. I know we ain't tried my main food. I'm eating dessert first right now. All right. Now, I've done this several times. It's just the rutabaga and onions on the bottom. I microwaved them to cook them down a little bit, soften them up. And then I have some chicken in here, and 1 egg, and some seasonings. I don't know if there's enough seasonings. I kind of just got to try it first. Oh, I'm excited. Tomorrow's Taco Tuesday. Well, Southwestern Bowl Tuesday. So I've got it made up already. And I'm taking to put in it the pork from today. So I told y'all, I take that big thing of pork in the crock pot, and it was $12, I don't know, we'll just say $13 just to be fair. And I would say maybe a third of it was eaten. So let's see, so 13, a third of that. Well, if it was 15, a third would be 5. So yeah, I may have spent maybe $10 today. No, $5 on the people, and then $10 for me. Sometimes a lot of people will eat it, and sometimes they don't. It just depends on. This one person brought shepherd's pie. I ate it. Yes, there's mashed potatoes in it. I know y'all saw what I ate today. I know y'all saw what I ate. Man, oh man, it was good. I ain't gonna lie. It was good. Mm-hmm. I do like this idea of getting the rotisserie chickens. And I still have the those pork steaks that I made last week. So I really think what I'll do is maybe buy 2 pack family size of the pork steak and 2 of the rotisserie chickens. And then that way it will be, and that way it'll be, a nice rotation in my evenings. That worked out well. I know it's a short video. I love you people. And I'm going to go because I'm going to sit here and chill out. It's been a decent day, and I'm making it. Bye.